Fusion 360's sketching environment allows us to create geometry for complex features such as lofts and sweeps. I'll create a new sketch, and I'll pick a plane for my sketch to start on. To create sketch entities, I'll come back up to Sketch. The 2D geometric entities that I can create are here. I'll begin by creating a line. I'll pick the first point for my line. I can place my second point by snapping to the grid or entering values to the dialog. I also have the option to set a fixed length or a fixed angle. Finally, if I hold down my left mouse button, click and drag, I can create an arch that is tangent to my previous line. When I complete the sketch becomes tinted to show it is closed. A closed sketch can be used to create a solid. An open sketch will create a surface. I'll right-click and choose OK when I am done. To continue creating sketch entities, I'll come back up here. This time I'll choose Circle, and I'll create a circle. I can edit my sketch entities using the edit tools. I'll try Trim, and I'll trim away this geometry. You will notice these glyphs. These are 2D geometric constraints. The constraints define the behavior of these lines. This is a tangent constraint. This line is being held tangent to this curve. I can move this line, but the tangent condition will always remain the same. I can add further constraints by going to Sketch, Constraints. I'll begin by fixing this point. This provides a fixed point to prevent my sketch from moving around. I can then use an equal constraint to make this equal to this. Finally, to completely define my shape, I can add dimensional constraints for really accurate values. When I am done, I will complete my sketch, and I am ready to use this sketch to create 3D solids. That concludes this video on creating sketch entities with Fusion 360.